In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money in Expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account, you want to click on Finances on the left-hand side, and you want to make sure you are on this Deposit tab, which is down here at the bottom left. Then here, there's going to be your different deposit methods available to you right now. Depending on the region, they may be a bit different. And here you can just select whichever you want to do. So, as you can see, I have some crypto, bank, MasterCard, whatever, and I'm going to go ahead and just use this card option over here, but of course you can use any of these. So if I do that, the first thing you're gonna have to do is, of course, you're gonna have to put in how much you'd actually like to deposit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and deposit 10 USD, and then here, if you have a promo code, you could type it in. If you don't, that's completely fine as well. And then here you can then click on I agree to terms and conditions, which you have to agree to if you want to go ahead and continue, and then click on pay. Now whenever you do this, it's going to take you to the summary over here. To confirm it, you want to click on proceed to payment. This will take you to yet a separate page here where you'll then be able to go ahead and basically put in your card number and then add the money on there. However, if you chose any of the other options, the process is going to be a bit different. So, of course, if you chose like a bank transfer, something like that, a process is going to be a bit different. However, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and then you'll be able to add money in Expert option efficiently and easily. So, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.